To fix driver is unavailable error in Windows 11. This error is basically related to printer driver, and the first workaround is make sure that window is up to date. For this, go to settings. From the left side of settings windows, click on Windows Update, and thereafter go to the right side of page and click on check for Windows Update. Windows will now show you available updates. Download and install it. The second workaround is update printer drivers. Go to the Windows search, type device manager and open device manager in Windows 11. In device manager window, go to your printer list and right click on it and choose update driver. A new window will pop up, and here you should choose search automatically for drivers. The third option is run the troubleshooter, printer troubleshooter. Again, go to a start button, right click on it and choose settings. Windows settings page will open. Scroll down and choose troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters, and here you will find the printer option. Click on run button to execute printer troubleshoot. Window is now detect automatically and resolve accordingly. The fourth, reinstall your printer driver. Go to start button, right click on it and choose device manager. Now right click on printer and uninstall it. After that, restart your system and Windows will automatically reinstall it. Add printer manually. Go to the Windows settings. From the left side of settings window, choose Bluetooth and devices. Now from the right side, choose the option printer and scanners. Thereafter, click on add device, and further from the next, click on add manually. Windows, a new page will open. Here you should choose your printer address, browse computer and follow line instruction to complete the process. So this is all workarounds. That's all.